Lists are mutable. Strings, numbers, and booleans are immutable, but they all change. Well, it's confusing, but let's look at it. Here we're assigning the variable a the value 5. Now we'll change a to 6 by adding 1. The 5 didn't mutate, we just reassigned a to be 6, and the 5 got thrown away. Now let's say a is a string that spells boy. B-O-Y, strung together. If we want to change it to say bay, we can say, give me that first B, and then give me an A, and then give me that same Y from the end. But what it'll do is make copies, and then we'll throw away the old copy, and a copy of the B, and an A, and then the copy of the Y remain, and we throw the old version of the variable a away. Now if we had a list that had the character B, the character A, and the character Y, we could change that middle place to an O to get it back to boy. Here's a pointer. It says A, and it says, look over here, this is where the list is that A goes to. We can take out that middle A, and the B and Y stay exactly the same. We could put in a brand new O. So that's a mutation of what was in there. Now it says boy, and that same A pointer still points to it. So if you were to make a new variable B and assign it to A, what it's really saying is make a new pointer B and assign it to the same thing that the A pointer is pointing to. So then if you tried to change B's first position to C, what it does is it goes and finds the B pointer, and it says, oh, I'll change this to a C. But see, A is still pointing to the same place, so now both B and A point to the same list that says COY. They're the same. If you wanted to make a copy instead so you could change B with impunity, just use the list function. Now we have a new B. It's a copy of COY. We take the C out, we can put in a new AH. So now A is still coy and B is ahoy. So I hope it makes sense now. If it's mutable, you can change what's stored in the variable. Whereas if it's immutable, it feels like you're changing it, but really you're just making a new copy that's different. Thank you for watching.